To transfer money using Venmo settings. Start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you are not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the Venmo homepage, which displays your balance and a list of your recent transactions. To initiate a transfer, tap the menu button, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, and select the transfer option from the menu. Next, you will need to specify the recipient of the transfer. You can do this by typing the recipient's name, username, or phone number into the search bar. If the recipient is already in your Venmo contacts, you can select them from the list. If not, you can add them as a new contact. After selecting the recipient, you will need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Be sure to double-check the amount to avoid any errors. You can also add a note to the transfer, which will be visible to the recipient. To complete the transfer, you will need to confirm the transaction details, including the recipient, amount, and any fees associated with the transfer. If everything is correct, tap the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. Venmo will then prompt you to select a funding source for the transfer. This can be a linked bank account, credit card, or your Venmo balance. Be aware that transfers funded by credit card may incur a small fee. Once you have selected a funding source, Venmo will process the transfer. The recipient will receive a notification when the transfer is complete, and the funds will be available in their account. It is essential to note that Venmo transfers are generally instant, but may take a few business days to process if the recipient is not a Venmo user or if the transfer is flagged for review. Additionally, be sure to only send money to people you trust, as Venmo transactions are generally irreversible. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money using Venmo settings. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully before confirming a transfer, and be mindful of any fees associated with the transaction.